Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HTC U23 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you what you can do if your HTC device is not respond. To resolve this problem, you need to press and hold power button until your device will reboot. After you will feel the vibration, you need to release the power key, wait a while, and press power key again for several seconds. And release the power button when you will see HTC icon on your screen. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!